Hello students, here I Priya Sacha welcome you again in my online Pathshala for class 7. In the previous video, we have discussed about addition and subtraction of rational numbers, right? Now today I am going to discuss with you multiplication and division of rational numbers. So before starting, I would suggest you all to like and subscribe this channel, so whenever I upload my next video, you will get the notification. Don't forget to write your name, class, section in the comment box for daily attendance. So let's start our topic, multiplication of rational numbers. Multiplication of rational numbers is simply the product of their numerators and their denominators. So in case of multiplication of rational numbers, first you have to multiply all the numerators and then you have to multiply all the denominators which are given to you. Clear? So here in that case, for example, multiply 3 by 8 and 5 by 7. So here you have to check first, any numerator and denominator can you cancel out? In that case it is not possible. Clear? So here you have to just multiply numerators with numerator and denominator with denominator. So when you will multiply numerator with numerator, 5 3s are 15 by 7 8s are 56. Clear? So your answer will be 15 by 56. If you have to multiply 6 whole 2 by 3 and 51 by 120. In that case you can see this is in mixed fraction. So first convert into an improper fraction. Right? So when you will convert 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 20 by 3. Multiply because you are multiplying, so multiplication sign, 51 by 120. Yeah. Now here you can first check, can you cancel out any numerator with denominator? Yes, here we can cancel out this 0 with this 0. Clear? And 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. Then 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. Clear? Now we can't cancel out anything. So now we have to multiply numerator with numerator, 17 1s are 17 and denominator with denominator, 6 1s are 6. Now 17 by 6. 17 by 6 is an improper fraction. So convert into in a mixed fraction. So when you will convert in a mixed fraction, what will come? 6 2s are 12 and 17 minus 12 is 5 by 6. So your answer will be 2 whole 5 by 6. Is it clear? Now next topic is reciprocal. Reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of a non-zero rational number is obtained by interchanging its numerator and denominator. In that case, reciprocal of rational number, you have to just convert, you have to just interchange the places of numerator and denominator. Numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. So the reciprocal of A upon B is B upon A. Denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator, right? So for example, reciprocal of 9 by 10. So here reciprocal of 9 by 10 is 10 by 9. You have to just interchange the places of numerator and denominator. Clear? Now next example, reciprocal of minus 16 by 25. In that case, when rational number is negative, so reciprocal of any negative rational number, when you will do, then negative sign you have to write with the numerator only. Clear? And then you have to just interchange the places. Numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. So answer will be minus 25 by 16. Is it clear? The product of the rational number and its reciprocal is always 1. important point. The product of the rational number and its reciprocal is always 1. If I will say 5 by 4 is a rational number, so 5 by 4 rational numbers reciprocal is 4 by 5, and product of this rational number and its reciprocal is always 1. You can check. 4 4 cancel out, 5 5 cancel out. 1 will come. Clear? So next topic is division of rational numbers. On dividing two rational numbers, we simply multiply the dividend with the reciprocal of the divisor. So in case of division, dividend remains the same, and divisor you have to just write its reciprocal. You have to interchange the places of numerator and denominator, and division sign becomes multiplication sign. Clear? So for example, 2 by 3 remains 2 by 3. This is dividend. When you have to divide it by 4 by 16. So what you will write? 2 by 3 remains same, because this is dividend, remains same, and divisor reciprocal you have to write. So 4 by 16 reciprocal is 16 by 4, and division sign becomes multiplication. Right? Now solve. Check first, can any numerator and denominator you can cancel out? Yes. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. Now further you can't cancel out. Clear? So just multiply numerator with numerator. 2 fours are 8, and denominator with denominator. 3 ones are 3. Right? Now convert this 8 by 3 into an improper fraction. So convert this improper fraction into mixed fractions. What will come? 3 2s are 6, and 8 minus 6 is 2 by 3. So your answer will be 2 whole 2 by 3. Is it clear? Now next example is divide 2 whole 1 by 3 by minus 14 by 15. In that case, first this mixed fraction convert into an improper fraction. When you will convert, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 by 3 divided by minus 14 by 15. Clear? Now next step will be 7 by 3. This division sign you have to convert into multiplication, and divisor, after division sign, that rational number you have to write its reciprocal. So its reciprocal, minus 14 by 15's reciprocal is minus 15 by 14. Now check, can you divide numerator with denominator? Right, yes. 7 ones are 7, 7 2s are 14, 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. Now further you can't solve. Clear? So you have to just multiply numerators with numerator and denominators. Right? So 5 ones are 5, 2 ones are 2 with negative sign. Clear? Now convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So what will come? Minus 2 whole 1 upon 2 will be the answer. Is it clear? Now I am giving you some numericals related to multiplication and division of rational numbers. So solve these numericals in your classwork register. If you have any doubt, then you can write in comment section. PDF of this home task is also available in description below. Okay, bye bye, take care.